15 seconds and counting. 2, 1. The engine's igniting, the solid rocket boosters, and liftoff. The H-IIB has cleared the tower, the 6th HTV vehicle on its way to the International Space Station.
コウノトリ6号機を搭載した H-IIB ロケット6号機は平成28年12月9日午後10時26分47秒に
Good first stage performance. Again, those solid rocket boosters will fire for the first 1 minute 54 seconds into launch. The main engines of the first stage will continue to fire for about 5 minutes and 47 seconds.
2016 Japan Standard Time. 打ち上げ以降、ロケットの管制は吉信発射管制塔から竹崎総合司令塔に引き継がれています。
After liftoff, the launch vehicle operation control was shifted from the blockhouse to the range control center.
ロケットは現在、初期飛行方位角を 108.5 度とし、徐々に南東方向の太平洋上へ飛行しています。
The H-IIB is now flying over the Pacific Ocean to the southeast with its initial flight angle of 108.5 degrees.
HTV continuing to fly over the Pacific Ocean.
ロケットは正常に飛行中であり、
should be coming up shortly on that solid rocket booster separation.
The H-IIB is flying normally, and the Tanegashima station is tracking the launch vehicle very well.
SRBA 分離、第1ペア分離、第2ペア分離。
The first and second pairs of SRBAs were jettisoned.
So their confirmation that those solid rocket boosters have jettisoned, their job done, and now the main engines continuing to fire and carry HTV into orbit.
The Ogasawara station has started tracking.
The next major milestone will be that fairing separation, and that will expose HTV to the space environment. That's scheduled to come about 3 minutes 40 seconds into liftoff, so a little over 50 seconds from now.
It's
3 minutes after liftoff.
第1段エンジンの燃焼は正常、制御系飛行経路も正常です。ロケットは順調に飛行を続けており、現在の高度は約 2400km、秒速約 2.4km です。
The first stage engine combustion, attitude control, and flight trajectory are all normal. The flight goes very smoothly. Current altitude is about 2,400 kilometers. Velocity is approximately 2.4 kilometers per second.
衛星フェアリング分離。
Payload fairing jettison.
And then the payload fairing at this point has been jettisoned. And then this actually is a view of HTV flying into space from the International Space Station. This is from a camera. You can see HTV flickering just there in the center of your screen as it continues its climb to orbit. The main engine is still going to fire for about another minute and a half or so, and then at that point they'll cut off, and then it'll be the second stage's turn to take over and continue launching HTV into orbit.